Good afternoon, friends, and good afternoon, dignitaries on the dais. By the time he puts in the presentation in the laptop, just want to share with you, Phillips, we have been working with most of the smart cities across the country on various applications and working with all the consultants as well as along with the local bodies, commissioners and etc. And we have shared a lot of informations what we have generated over the years, and also the work that we have done not only in India but abroad as well. So just sharing some of the things with you. See, like this cities, as you all are aware, that the faces are changing, right? Studies have said that population is going to increase, the city is going to be, consuming almost 75% of the energy, etc. And what is the important thing is that we are all now, particularly in cities, very well connected. Almost 97% of the population is having the mobile phone, and a lot of guys are having access to the mobile data. So now these changes are impacting the requirement of lighting as well. You have got more people coming to the cities, you have got more people spending time in the, after sunset in the city. And so this demands for more light. And when it demands for more light, naturally what we should look after as, when we are working is the more efficient light, right? Energy efficient light. At the same time, in this new era, we also find that we need to have a smart light, digital light, that particular, yes, light has the capacity. Many people have even maybe out of their curiosity talked or searched about the Li-Fi, where we have been working, and we are also ready with Li-Fi applications for the, you can say for the offices and this thing. So this smart digital light can help you, right, when you interact that in the public infrastructure, when you integrate it with the public infrastructure, because everybody wants that public infrastructure also to be connected. The commission, the honor of the people from Hyderabad and Haridwar, they have shared with you how, the kind of efforts that have been put in to make this public infrastructure more friendly, more innovative, and more, usable, more connected. Yes, lighting can help into it while doing that, because light itself can work as a smart node, and it is available across the city on all the applications. So this city-wide street lighting network can be used for generating information, for collecting information, or for transporting the information. So that's why we talked of smart lighting. We have already worked, particularly for Pune, we have worked along with the corporation, provided city lighting, which is smart connected lighting. Similarly, this smart connected lighting is being worked out for Naya Raipur Development Authority, NRDA, and also other cities. Even Hyderabad Ring Road, ma'am, we worked that. I was a part of it, who designed the complete lighting system as well as that. So thank you very much. So it has come out really very well. So this lighting can, help you to do that. But as the first session, lighting, street lighting is not the only area where we should looking for that. You have got so many places in the city, whereas there are, arenas of sports, there are parks and plazas, bridges, monuments, municipal buildings, lot many areas, even tunnels, so lot many areas where lighting is available. And the earlier session, you would have heard people talking about making the city livable and lovable. So yes, lighting is one of the very, very important tool which can make this thing happen. And that is how we have worked over the years, and even in smart city domain, and that is how we have been working with most of the local bodies and with smart city cells. Yesterday I was with, one of the discussion with CEO of the smart city, and we talked of similar thing, a project of river development, where how we can interestingly do the lighting. Because it's not just putting this particular light is good, this is good looking, this is bad looking, but looking at the culture, what exactly, what do you need, how it can be done. Like for example, the latest lighting we did for Juhu Beach, It's a 4.5 kilometer stretch, it's an open beach. But it's not just putting a high mast or putting a street light or putting some fancy looking thing what we have done. A lot of thought process have gone into that, how we can do it. And a complete, theory have been worked out and the project has been executed. Like for example, I'm going to share some of the important slides now after this. Each slide, each project, I can talk for at least 10 minutes, but because that is how the concepts evolve, but for the time constraints, we'll just glance through the slides and we will see that how it can happen. How you can make your city interesting, lovable and livable with the help of light. What is important, you need to have right ambient light. If it is dynamic, it is interesting. And smart lighting, when I say, it is responsive as well as interactive. You can work both ways, whether it is outdoor or indoor, right? Connected lighting solutions are available. You just remove the earlier luminaire and put this particular luminaire. The entire back end is already worked out. Straight away, luminaire is connected to your command center and you can straight away start controlling it. This particular, I think we are executing the project for New Delhi Municipal Corporation. For this particular thing, we have also giving the demo to other corporations where you simply remove the unit, put this unit, and it is connected to your command center and you can control it, each individual unit lighting. So this is how we say that the integrating light in the public or say cities technical ecosystem. Now, there are some trends where we talk of when we said that lovable and livable cities. So we take that we need to have design, we need to, we get the freedom by incorporating light in a different way. For this example, that you are illuminating the areas, projecting it in a different way along with the streets, so that you extend your day, right? You make this open space enjoyable. When you look at this kind of monument, you feel pride, and that is how the light can help you to do that. So, enhancing open spaces, whether it is a park, whether it is a monument, whether it is a riverfront development, will be an interesting way of making our city livable, lovable. That is what the Smart City Mission. This is the design we work for North Block and South Block, where Prime Minister himself inaugurated and tweeted for this particular thing. After that, we concluded the lighting for Rashtrapati Bhavan also. And this is Ma'am Kiran Bedi, when she was passing through the particular site in Teen Murti. She just clicked it and said that, yes, this is how it looks. See how the lighting, typical lighting is making even the people to respond and to feel good about that particular city. So this is what we did for Lal Paul. Bridge lighting is very interesting thing. I have worked with this. This is one photograph I have shown. One cable style bridge we did for Bhopal. That is Raja Bhoj. I know when even when the trials were going on, people came there and it had already become a selfie point. People even before the bridge was being inaugurated. So this is how you can make people think interesting. This is the public building, police commissionerate in Jaipur. Similarly, the bridge in Jaunpur. Interestingly, you can use the colors, you can make it dynamic. This is the latest ghat lighting in Varanasi that we have done, or the railway bridges. So all these things are available in each and every city, different ways, and you can illuminate that. Maybe a ghat or a railway station or the monument or tower. This is Victoria Memorial Hall in Kolkata. It is lit really well, and or it's a mandir or a prayer hall or the religious space. This is Anandpur Sahib, fantastically lit, or a railway station. This is how, and this everybody knows, JN Stadium. This is very well lit. That was the first big project, mega project we did for, where dynamism is involved. Now this dynamism is integrated with intelligence also. So whatever lighting I have talked of, North Block or South Block, those colored lighting are also connected. So that lighting also you can manage, monitor, or you can say work on that sitting in your office, right? You will be, or you can maintain that. So you will be able to know from the laptop how the product is, how the product is working, how the light is working, or you can change the effect what you want. So that is what you can do. Similarly, we can work for arenas. Fantastic applications and things are available with us. we can, work on that. So, as just to say that you can see 50,000 plus installations, iconic installations we have done across the world, right? And all these installations, we have got, dynamic lighting where the only motive is to make it interesting, make it livable, make it lovable, right? And this is Empire State Building, again, connected lighting installations. This is the bridges. We are working on few other bridges as well. And it is not only the beautification of that, but also we work for, using renewable energies where we are using with the solar power, solar panel and all. So where you can say a light on demand. This particular photograph is from, again, Hyderabad street lighting, where we have used Urban Spark of post op. This is a complete solar installation for the street lighting, which is something recently done. And this is, I said, city touch, that luminaire what I talked of. You replace the luminaire and automatically it connected to the server, and you can start controlling it. Almost these projects have been done in 31 countries, and it helps you to monitor, maintain, and have the sustainable performance over the period of time. It's, that is what we look at it when we work for that. Thank you, sir. I think I am right on time before you say that, right?
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Yeah. And as I said, that all our, whatever platform that we are working on, they are open, secure, and we foster only at city level management. There is no proprietary things what we are looking at, right? All are open and secure things. So thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.